Anak, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Thank you.
Oh, ano daw give me baby sa'yo?
Doll in violet.
Where's the doll? Sabi mo kay daddy. Thank you sa call.
Thank you sa call.
Where's Samantha?
Samantha.
Where? Where's
Samantha.
Samantha? Where's Samantha? Busy sa Game Boy. Anak, sino daw bumili ng damit mo?
Si Tita Eileen.
Yun nga? Wow. You're like an 8-year-old.
Mami,
Yes.
luluto daw yung Barbie kasi gutom ulit siya. O, narinig mo, Daddy?
Yan. Hindi makita eh. Liwanag.
May ilaw, Daddy.
And here is your baby. He is hungry na. Hi, baby. Hi, daddy. Say hi. Hello. Hi. Smile. Smile.
Daddy,
Yes.
andito si Tita Lola, Nino, Tita. Kasi birthday ko.
How old are you now? 4. And what is your name?
Alisa Karen M. Tasara.
Okay, very good. Who is your daddy?
BHR Tasara.
And who is your mommy?
Days Tasara.
Who is your brother?
Alex Kelly M. Tasara.
Okay, very good. Where do you live? Where do you live, Alisa?
San Pedro, Laguna.
Okay.
Honey.
Yes.
Daddy,
Puro milk. Smile. Smile.
Daddy.
Yes. Sabi mo ka daddy. Hi, baby. Smile.